Thank you. Alrighty folks, good morning. It is tournament morning. It is 3:25 in the morning. I think this is the earliest that I've probably woken up for anything, but I'm excited. I'm running off about 2 hours of sleep last night. It's just, it's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be interesting, guys. I'm heading to Camdenton, Missouri, Lake of the Ozarks for stop number 3 of the MoYak fishing kayak trail. And I'm really excited. We're gonna be hitting that place in just an awesome time of the year. Hopefully the rain and whatnot will hold back. There's a pretty big chance of rain all morning long. It's gonna clear up and be like 80 degrees in the afternoon, but lines in at 6. You can launch at 5:30, lines out at 2 p.m. And longest 5 fish will take home a pretty good sized check. So anyways guys, like I said, it's 3:25 in the morning. We've got a 2.5 hour drive to Camdenton, Missouri. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Oh! All right folks, well, 2 hours and 40 minutes later we have arrived. This is Lake of the Ozarks. There's actually a bass tournament blasting off right now. I don't know if you can hear it or not. St. Louis Bass Busters. It's a boat tournament launching out of here right now. I'm gonna let them go do their thing. I mean, this freaking ramp, I've never seen, I mean, just boats. It's absolutely unbelievable. So I'm already running behind schedule too, by the way, because it started pouring down rain on me. I pulled over at a gas station and kind of let it calm down for a second. So I'm gonna get the kayak all rigged up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out there because I'm sure there's already people that are out there making casts right now. So let's get to doing this thing, folks. How are you? Obviously we're gonna start with topwater. Haven't even made it out of the marina yet. I didn't see any no fishing signs, but might as well make a couple casts. Oh, I got one. Oh wow, okay. Get in here, yes. Number 1. Fish. Didn't even have my net ready. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, I'm not even really. Woo! Okay. Sweet. Looks ready to me. Man, that's a fat spotted bass. Not very long, but man, he's chunky. Nope. Oh, dang it. He flopped on me. No! Awesome. Just lost our first fish. That's the first time that's ever happened. And there's no way that first picture got him. Dang it. Oh well. That was such a clean flop too. He just flopped and freaking nosedived right into the water. Like not even a chance. There we go, there we go. Stay pinned, little guy. We'll take him. Okay, number 1. Should be number 2. We're gonna freaking hustle our butts off here, folks. We're going to hustle our freaking butts off. That's a little one. Gosh dang it. All right. Just a little 11-incher, but we'll take them. We need it all just to catch our limit right here, folks. Thank you, sir. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They're busting up behind me. Oh, I missed him. No.
wind's picking up. I think that's good though. That probably was gonna help our bite, honestly. Someone had it. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, how did you miss it? Both times I've seen busting fish, I threw out there and got bit. So I've really got to pay attention and keep, especially with this wind ripping like it is, I really got to be looking out for busting fish. So, because both times I threw out there, I got bit. So. Got one little bitty guy. No, stay on. He's so small. Oh my gosh. He's so small. Are you kidding? You've got to be joking me. We're not even gonna measure him. Look at that little baby. That is hilarious. Thanks for your for the bite though. I appreciate you. Wow. Probably should have measured him just to try to fill out a limit, but that's just embarrassing. Gosh, I'm gonna have to take this freaking sweatshirt off. It is getting warm, folks. It is warming up fast. Ooh. Feels like a nice one. Feels like a nice one. It is a nice one. Oh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow. That's a good one. Okay, 15.5 incher. Fish number two, fish number two. Thank you, sir. Okay. Up way shallow. I mean, that guy was in like a foot of water. 3 more. We should already have a limit, honestly. One flopped off. We missed 2 big bites. Stay on, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, come here, baby. Not a big one, but we need them. Not a big one, but we need fish on the board. I'm gonna say 13, maybe 12. 13.5 inches, so we'll take, or 12.5 inches, I'm sorry. Thank you, sir. 2 more. Holy crap, how did he miss it? Oh, come on, baby. Just completely missed it. Oh, dang it. I've got another idea. Ugh. This is sometimes a pretty good follow-up bait. Oh, that's not even where I wanted to cast. If this works the way I think it's going to. There we go, there's one. Don't come off, stay on there, stay on there. Stay on there. Little bitty guy, gosh dang it. Little bitty guy. Come on, get in the net. Little freaking bitty guy, gosh dang it. Hey, like I said, we just gotta fill our limit and we'll go from there. 11 and a half. 11 and a half. Definitely a cold fish, but it's fish number 4. Thank you, sir. I knew there had to be a fish back here. This shade line, kind of in this little mini cove, this little secondary point back here in this cove. I bet there's another one too, because I got a big old blow up. We'll see if there's another one. It's so weird. That's the third largemouth I've caught back in this cove, and all the fish that I caught just the next cove over, like 50 yards away, all 3 of those were spotted bass. I wonder if the next cove we go to will be smallmouth. That's why I love fishing the Ozarks, guys. It's just so diverse, so diverse. This place reminds me a lot of Table Rock, my home lake, so I really enjoy it. I don't enjoy the boat traffic, I tell you that. I've never seen so much boat traffic like this before. It's kind of unbelievable. There must be, like I said, there's tournaments going on, but still, it's unbelievable. There we go. Stay on there, stay on there. Oh my gosh. There's a bass with him, but it's the wrong freaking species. Tough luck. Wrong species. Ooh, that feels like a better one. Feels like a nice one. Stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. Where are you at? Stay pinned. Come on. Not huge, but he'll keep. Not huge, but he'll keep. Oh, number 5. Number 5. Thank you, sir. All right, 13 inches, not big, but that's a freaking limit, folks. That's our limit. Now we're just fishing. Now we're just having fun. Catch a couple big fish along the way. Hey, so be it. SENKO's getting bit. I mean, don't get me wrong, I want to be throwing something else, but SENKO's getting bit. I need to find something that's getting those bigger bites, though. Small guy. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Yeah, small guy came off. That's all right. He wasn't going to help anyways. He wasn't going to help anyways. Maybe a jig will get those bigger bites. Maybe a jig will get those bigger bites. The cheater jig. Okay, just measured him. He's still in my basket here. Okay, buddy. Thank you, sir. On the jig. That was such a weird bite. I went weightless and I set the hook and I didn't feel anything, and because he had so much slack out already, he was running with it like crazy. I was really sloppy, but hey, we got that fish to the boat, so that's all that matters. Big bite. Has he still got it? Little guy. Little bitty guy. It's the wrong species. Gosh, dang it. Oh. Thank you, sir, but come on now. Can't get me worked up like that. Little guy, gosh dang it. Come here, buddy. I'll put you right back, don't you worry. He's barely hooked. Tell you one thing, he definitely ain't gonna help, that's for sure. Little bitty guy, gosh dang it. You're kidding. Wrong species though, I bet. Yep. Oh, you little sons of guns. Come on, guys. All right, shedding some layers real fast. Lake of the Ozarks has sure got some bad bass boats running around. Every single one I've seen, I haven't seen one that's not freaking just loaded with graphs and power poles, and I mean not even one. Wow, this is gonna be bad here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, since we are allowed to get out and make a cast, get out of our boat, I'm gonna hop out for a second and make a couple casts right here. You're allowed to get out of your boat and fish as long as your boat's within eyesight, within sight of you. Oh my gosh, I've got one. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. Holy crap. Stay pinned, stay pinned. Feels pretty decent. Yep, he's gonna help. Oh, why are you jumping so hard, dude? Come on, quit doing that. Come here. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I love the Lake of the Ozarks. Woo! Now the next rule is you have to measure them in your boat, obviously. So he's not big, but he'll help. 13. Another 13-incher, get rid of our last 11-incher. Not big by any means, like I said, but he'll help. Thank you, sir. Shoop. There he goes. Come on now. Just need a few big ones. Just need a few big ones, come on. Okay. Ooh, there's a little copperhead on that tree. Get in the net. Oh, sloppy, but that's all. Sloppy, but he'll help. Actually, he might not. Put that tail down, boy. 13 and a half. All right, 13 and a half. He'll get rid of our 12 3/4. Look at that lip, man. He's all jacked up. All right, buddy. Thanks for the bite. Choop. So we'll move up a little bit. small guy. Just a little small guy. $11.5, not gonna work. Thank you, buddy. Oh man, I watched that happen. Holy crap. No! 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 He's still on. He came back and got it. He came back and got it. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. No way. What a mess. What do I have going on here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've got him foul hooked. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh my gosh, it's massive. Holy crap, folks. Yes! Oh, what just happened? What just happened? Oh my gosh. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh, dude. That's a tank. It's gonna be. This is the biggest fish I've boarded all year. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, thank you. Go ahead and get Big Mama back on in the water. There she goes. Oh, yes! SENKO catches big fish of the day. They catch the smallest fish of the day and the biggest fish of the day, so. Little guy. Little bitty feller. Hooey! That's not gonna help. Nom nom nom. Gosh dang it. Wrong species. This makes number what, 4 or 5. There we go. I don't know if he's gonna help. I don't know if he's gonna help. Oh, he might. Actually, no, he won't. Gamakatsu hooks don't play no games. Nope. Ain't gonna help. 12.5 incher. Thanks, buddy. If that's not the most Lake of the Ozarks thing you've ever seen, I don't know what it is. Oh, fish. All right, folks. It is 1:45 and we're right here by the truck. I can't get anything to hit, so we're just gonna call it a day. And I'll see you guys back at the truck and we can talk about what happened today. All right, folks, just got off the water, got everything all loaded up. It's about 10 after 2. I'm gonna skip the awards and or the check-ins afterwards. I messaged the tournament director and said, hey dude, I'm off the water, I'm safe, everything's good. You mind if I just head back on home? And he said, yeah, totally fine, so no big deal. But anyways, guys, I don't even know where we ended up. I think 29th. We ended up with like 72 inches or so, and just had fun, man. We overcame a lot of diversity. This is the first time I've ever been to this lake. I came into this completely blind, and we had fun, man. It was a great time. I don't know how I feel about Lake of the Ozarks, man. There's just so many boats, bass boats, big boats. I mean, it was just absolutely ridiculous. Every single cove was filled with 4 to 5 boats. It was unbelievable. I've never been in that type of environment where it's just so jam-packed, but we had fun. I can't complain. We got out here, we took care of business, caught a bunch of fish, had a lot of fun, and we brought you guys along on this mission, and we're going to bring you guys along for every single one. So this is only my second tournament ever. This one went better than the first, I'll tell you that. We at least caught our limit today, and we just had an awesome time. So thank you guys all for clicking and watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.